Well, hey, welcome back. This is Kim. Today I'm going to show you a couple Windows settings and tips. Not all settings, one's a tip. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to disable the user account control, which is that annoying box that pops up and constantly asks you, are you sure you want to do this? You want to let this app do something to your computer, etc. I find them annoying, so I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. Down in the search box here, type in disable. I spelled it wrong. User account control settings. So there you go. See, it's going to look just like that. Click on that. So this is a setting that you can easily change, but there's only 4 settings. So if you slide it up, it will always notify you anytime you make any changes to any setting or apps try to install software. Maybe if you have a child who's messing with the computer, you might want that turned on. This is default. Lets you make Windows setting changes, but you can't install anything. Or when apps try to make a change to your computer. So this says notify me only when apps try to make changes to my computer. Do not dim my desktop. So a little notification will come up down here, but yeah, and then never. So this never notifies you for anything. I kind of like this setting here. So I am aware something's happening, but it's not changing my workflow, and it's not going to pop up all the time with settings. So you just click OK. So this is what we're getting rid of, these boxes that pop up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So they're not going to pop up constantly. So anyways, that's that. You can play with that setting. Now you know how to go in there. So once again, you just go down here to search, type in disable user account control, and those settings pop up. The other thing I wanted to show you today is how to get rid of the Windows.old folder. A lot of people have small hard drives and are running out of space. And I see so many people delete a program they love rather than get rid of this Windows.old folder because they're afraid. So I wanted to just kind of explain what it is. That folder was created when you upgraded from Windows 7 to Windows 10. And that gave you a way to revert back if you didn't like Windows 10. Well, now you don't want to go back to Windows 7 because it's no longer supported. So that file is of no use anymore. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. It's a giant file. It'll free up a lot of hard drive space. So go down here to your search box and type in Control Panel. We're going to go to Control Panel. You know what? Make sure this says Small Icons. So go click on this. It usually starts on Category. Go to Small Icons. And then click on Administrative Tools. Okay, and then there's a lot of things in here, but right now we're just going to do Disk Cleanup. So double click on that. It will pop up. Don't do anything yet. Scroll down here to Clean Up System Files. And then OK, and it comes back. Now you've got a screen here. So the things you want to mark are, like, you don't need the error reports, delivery optimization files you can get rid of, recycle bin, temporary Windows installation files, for sure, get rid of that. And also, if you have it listed, previous Windows installations, you would click on that. I don't have that on this computer because it was not upgraded from Windows 7. But if you have that Windows.old folder, you'll have previous Windows installation. So you'll mark that. So you go through all that and then click on OK. And it's going to ask you want to permanently delete these files. Yes. And then it'll go through and do it. This takes a few minutes, especially if you have that Windows.old folder in there. When it's done, it'll say it's done. Click OK, and there you go. And now you just restart your computer and you're done. And if you could log back in and check out your C drive, and you'll see that the Windows.old folder is gone. And you've probably gained quite a bit of space. So hopefully this was helpful for you, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe so you can find me again, and I'll see you next time. Thanks!